Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the image. Duplicate the background and set a working layer so you never alter the original. Once done, crop and straighten to frame the face and enable a small grid to align features. Next, remove obvious distractions with spot healing and the patch tool because cleaning the canvas makes later retouching more predictable. Make sure to use a soft brush and vary sample sources. This preserves texture while eliminating blemishes and stray hairs before you move into shaping and color work. Now you shape and sculpt carefully. Open liquefy at low pressure and nudge only where proportions are off, because heavy warping breaks realism. Once you're satisfied, create separate 10% opacity layers for dodging and burning so highlights and shadows read naturally. This sculpts form without flattening skin. Transition into frequency separation to separate tone from texture. Set the radius around 2 to 3 pixels so you can smooth color irregularities without losing pores. Make sure to finish, balance color and contrast. Use curves for contrast and selective color for subtle hue corrections because small shifts make the face read as natural in context. Once tonal work is done, merge a copy and apply a high-pass filter at about 0.5 px, set blend mode to overlay or soft light, then lower opacity to taste to sharpen without introducing artifacts. If halos or banding appear, reduce the layer opacity or mask the effect. Make sure skin tones remain consistent across highlights and shadows before exporting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.